For centuries, we had believed it was impossible for dragons to consider a selfless thought. But Toothless really was fond of Hiccup and grateful for the hours that he had spent looking after him.
Come stop your crying, it will be alright. Just take my hand.
It's gonna be okay, Toothless.
Hold it tight.
Trust me.
I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart.
It's good to have you back.
Yes,
What do you think, bud? They fit together. So the two of you can fly.
from this day on, now and forevermore.
Well, looks like we got our work cut out for us, right?
You'll be in my heart.
I killed it where it slipped.
Just don't hurt Toothless.
You'll be here.
Attaboy, that's it. I'm here. I guess you and I are stuck together now. The safest place for me is on Toothless. You'd never hurt me.
Why can't they understand the way we
Protecting me.
feel?
He's not dangerous.
They just don't trust what they can't.
Most people are
explain.
afraid of things because they don't
I
understand.
know we're different, but
For me,
deep inside
it was dragons.
us, we're
Then
not
one
the
day that
ones
changed,
at all.
and my greatest fear became my best friend.
Be in my heart.
Thanks, bud.
Yes, you'll be in
You never cease to amaze me, bud. You know that, right?
from this day on, now and forever.
They want you, Toothless? You're gonna have to go through me.
Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know?
Stay away from
We
him.
need each other to have to hold. They'll see in
I
time.
wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was.
I know
I looked at him, and I saw myself.
when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be ready, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know. Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Believe me, you'll be.
Toothless grabbed hold of Hiccup by the arm and tried to take his weight, and he was able to break Hiccup's fall.
Go! Save yourself!
You saved me, I saved you. That's the way it is. No, what?
I wouldn't leave you either.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. I am so proud of you. Everyone wonders what it's like to fly. And now, thanks to Toothless, we know.
It was a moment which changed the whole world's view of the Hooligan tribe.
You take care of my boy, Dragon.
Toothless didn't just become my friend. He became the friend who gave me my purpose.